Have you ever wondered what actually dictates success in clear aligner therapy? Let's jump right into this explainer and demystify the incredible material science hidden completely out of sight inside clear dental aligners. If you're a dental professional or honestly just someone fascinated by how things work, you already know clear aligners have completely transformed orthodontics. But today, we're skipping past the glossy marketing and going straight under the hood to look at the exact engineering that makes these treatments possible.
Right off the bat, there's a major illusion in the dental field we need to talk about. Picture this. You're holding two aligner trays in your hand. To the naked eye, they look exactly the same. I mean, they're both perfectly clear, perfectly shaped, and they feel equally rigid to the touch. But here's the catch. Once seated inside a patient's mouth, they can perform entirely differently. You simply cannot judge an aligner's clinical effectiveness just by looking at it chairside.
So, here's our roadmap for today. We're going to cover the invisible difference, the science of tooth movement, the proven ground, the multi-layer solution, and finally, looking beyond the plastic. Let's get into it.
Section 1. The invisible difference. Why looks can be deceiving.
Okay, the absolutely crucial point to understand here is that aligners move teeth using stored elastic energy. Each tray is manufactured just slightly ahead of the current tooth position, right? So when the patient puts it in, the material tries to return to its original shape. That specific action is what generates the pushing force at the periodontal ligament. Now, if that plastic loses its stored energy too quickly, the tooth literally just stops moving. You lose valuable days of treatment time. And unfortunately, staring at the plastic in your hand tells you absolutely nothing about how it's going to perform on day 7.
Moving to Section 2, Science of Tooth Movement, the harsh intraoral environment.
Because let's be real, the human mouth is a brutal gauntlet. You've got heat, constant moisture, heavy bite forces. Under these conditions, like, spiking temperatures every time a patient drinks a cup of hot coffee, materials fail and they feel fast. Published studies on single-layer PCTG aligners show pretty shocking reality. They can lose roughly 44% of their initial stress within just the first 8 hours of wear. Think about that for a second. Nearly half of your pushing force is just gone before the patient even eats dinner.
And it gets worse. By the 24-hour mark, that stress loss hits an astonishing 62%. This is incredibly frustrating for everyone involved, because if the force falls below the therapeutic range this early in the wear cycle, the tray practically stops contributing to tooth movement entirely. For the remaining week or two of that tray sequence, it's doing absolutely nothing. It just becomes a passive plastic retainer.
So, why does this happen? Well, we have to talk about a fundamental property of these polymers called viscoelasticity. Essentially, under a constant strain, the material relaxes and loses its push over time. We call this stress relaxation. Over time, it also permanently deforms under that load, which is called creep. It's exactly like a rubber band that's been stretched tightly over a box for way too long. Eventually, it just loses its snap.
Section 3. The Proving Ground, separating plastic from orthodontics.
We obviously can't just hope the plastic works, we have to prove it. Before a thermoform tray ever reaches a clinic, it undergoes some pretty brutal, systematic testing. First up is material level testing, which really characterizes the raw polymer's composition. Then, rigorous mechanical testing puts the material into these universal testing machines to measure tensile strength and bending. Finally, and this is the most important part, simulated intraoral conditions use artificial saliva and cyclic loading to perfectly mimic the exact wear, heat, and moisture of the human mouth.
Now, you might have seen someone twisting, bending, or flexing a tray in the office to show off how tough it is. And while that's a super fun parlor trick to demonstrate elastic recovery, remember that real-world handling is really just an illustration. It involves no standardized load and certainly no 37-degree heat. At the end of the day, only documented clinical laboratory data actually validates true quality.
Which brings us to Section 4, the multi-layer solution, the engineering breakthrough.
This is how modern manufacturers have actually engineered their way out of that viscoelasticity problem we just talked about. ClearPath's Clarix technology uses this exact tri-layer architecture to brilliant effect. Instead of asking one piece of plastic to do everything poorly, this architecture divides the labor. The outer 30% PCTG layer acts like a tough, stain-resistant crystal clear shell. The inner 30% PCTG layer provides structural strength. And sandwiched right in the middle, a 40% TPU elastomeric core acts as the flexible engine that actually drives the force.
This layered approach is a real game changer because it solves the force decay problem entirely. With a conventional single-layer liner, you get this high initial force that decays rapidly and a single structure that has to fight off cracking all on its own. But with a tri-layer material, the layered construction actually interrupts crack propagation, making it incredibly durable. And more importantly for the patient, this means modulated, consistent, and gentle pressure, rather than a really painful burst of force on day one that just quickly fades into nothing. By sandwiching a flexible, elastomeric TPU core right between those rigid PCTG outer and inner layers, you really get the holy grail of aligner mechanics. The rigid layers maintain the exact dimensional accuracy needed to perfectly track the teeth, while that internal elastomeric core stores and gently releases a sustained force over the entire wear cycle.
But all of this advanced material science is pretty useful without incredible manufacturing precision. ClearPath backs this up with advanced thermoformers using uniform ceramic heating, CNC-based automated finishing, and digitally produced automated gingival trim lines. They manufacture these to a microscopic 50 microns of precision. To put that into perspective, that is actually thinner than a human hair. When you combine that level of precision with FDA 510(k) clearance and DRAP approval, you are absolutely guaranteeing patient comfort and safety.
Section 5. Beyond the plastic, the human element. At the end of the day, an aligner doesn't treat a patient, a doctor does. Dentists can use a checklist exactly like the one here to evaluate any aligner system based on hard evidence and material substance. Don't just look at how the plastic shines in the light, right? Ask the manufacturers for their layer ratios, their force decay numbers over a 7-day cycle, their dimensional consistency, and their documented testing standards.
Because ultimately, as the source material perfectly states, quality testing supports each stage, but it never replaces clinical judgment. Even the most rigorously tested, highly engineered multi-layer aligner in the world still depends entirely on an accurate diagnosis, a brilliant digital treatment plan, honest case selection, and of course, a patient who actually remembers to wear their trays instead of accidentally throwing them away wrapped in a napkin at a restaurant. We've all been there.
So I'll leave you with this thought to ponder. We just peeled back the layers, literally, on a piece of plastic so clear it's meant to be invisible. Yet the physics and engineering packed into it are just staggering. So, with so much microscopic engineering hidden inside a simple, clear aligner, what other invisible technologies are actively shaping the future of our healthcare and our smiles? Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and keep exploring the science